Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Neri and welcome to Neri M's Journey. So for tonight we'll be cooking mixed vegetables. What do we have here are ampalaya, we have squash, and we also have eggplants. So they're all sliced. We also have some tomatoes. We have sliced onion, and for our protein we have pork bone meat. So I'm going to dip into the flour and breadcrumbs later. And we also have a little bit of meat for our vegetables. So the oil is ready. We need to add in our pork bone meat. Just add it in 3 of those in the pot because we don't want to overcrowd them. While waiting for the pork bone, I'm adding in the onions. Saute it until it's cooked. So the garlic is already in because the onions are cooked already. We're sauteing it. Just mix it, saute and saute. And then add in the pork. Saute it until it's light brown. Then we'll add in the rest of the vegetables later. As you can see, the meat has slightly browned. So I'm going to add in the rest of the vegetables. I'm adding in first the tomatoes. So this is just my way of cooking. So it's really truly up to you when you're gonna put your tomatoes. So if it's before meat or before putting in the garlic and the onion, it's really up to you. There's no rule for that. So when the tomatoes are cooked, I'm going to put it in the rest of the vegetables like the squash and the eggplants. And then we're gonna mix it in all together. Our ampalaya will be added in a little bit later because I don't want it to overcooked. So after mixing it together, we'll season it with salt and pepper. So all the seasonings will be according to your taste. So you can add in some flavorings, but in my case, I don't want to. I just want to be healthy with all the seasonings, so I just want to use the salt and the pepper. So here's our vegetables. It's already simmered for 2 minutes, and we're gonna add in some soy sauce on top of that. So remember, we already put some salt and pepper, so you have to taste it. It might be salty. And we're adding in the ampalaya. Mix it all together and then simmer it for like 5 minutes. We don't want that ampalaya will be overcooked. So ta-da! Here's our pork bone meat and the vegetables plus rice. It's yummy.